Having trouble with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 microphone not connecting or the blue light not turning on? This problem usually happens because of loose connections or firmware glitches, but don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the mic connection issue and get the blue light working again. So let's jump in right now. Solution 1. Verify the connection. If you are using the DJI Mic, then ensure it is properly linked. To check this, swipe down from the screen to bring the control center. Then tap on the sphere icon. Now tap on wireless mic. Here, check the connection status. If it's not connected, tap on enter linking mode. Now on the DJI Mic transmitter, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. The status indicator should turn solid green. After that, press and hold the record button for 3 seconds. For 3 seconds until the indicator blinks blue. Then press and hold the linking button until the indicator blinks blue. Now tap confirm from the camera screen to connect. Now check your recording. Solution 2. Reset settings. First, turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it. Then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot. It will reset all your camera settings. Now select language. Solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup and updating usually fixes the problem. Hope your issue is solved. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.